In a distant land lived a bird with vibrant feathers. The king caught her and placed her in a golden cage in his palace. Crystal grains, silk cushions, pearl music. "Now you're happy," he declared. But the bird grew sad. Her feathers dulled, her song silenced. "Freedom is worth more than gold," she sang in dreams of the sky. The king summoned healers and priests, but none could help. One day, an old sparrow flew by. "What's wrong?" The bird sighed. "I have everything, but I'm in prison." The sparrow pecked at the cage bars until they fell. The bird escaped, yet instead of flying far, she stayed nearby, pecking crumbs from the ground, singing for the king's children, basking in the sun. The king wondered, "Why didn't you fly away?" The bird replied, "Happiness isn't in the cage or the sky. It's in singing from the heart, wherever I choose, and sharing joy with others." From then on, she lived freely in and out of the palace, shining brighter than ever. Lesson of the parable: true happiness isn't in accumulating treasures or chasing ideals. It's in the freedom to be yourself, cherishing the simple things and sharing warmth. It blooms inside when you let go of expectations and live fully.